you're watching Gearz, brought to you by Holly Performance Products. Fuel your passion. And Cornwell Tools, the choice of professionals.
Hey, welcome to Gearz. There is no question that the most important component to any project is the engine. I mean, it's the heartbeat of the project. It's what makes it move. And with all of the options that are out there, sometimes it's a bit of a challenge to pick the right engine for the project. So today, we're going to show you how to do that and also how to set the engine up and get it ready to drop in. Now, obviously, the key to this process is selecting the right engine for the build. For example, if you're going to build some sort of vintage hot rod like this, well, a modern Hemi or Coyote or LS engine, then that's just not going to look right. No, you want something like that. Something with 6 deuces or a blower or a tunnel ram on it. Yeah. Now, if you need this kind of engine, well, you're pretty much going to have to build it, because not a lot of people are going to build this for you. You can start with the built short block or long block, but then the top end you're going to have to do yourself. So this is more of a hands-on deal. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, you have an engine like that. This is for a street machine or a muscle car or resto mod or even a kit car. This is for the guy that doesn't want to do much wrenching on the engine. He wants a dynoed engine, something that comes together, something that's complete. He just basically drops in and it comes with a warranty. For this, you're going to have to go to a custom engine builder like a John Cossey, and they'll build you exactly what you want. But most people are somewhere in the middle. They want something cool, something that's dynoed, something that looks good, but they also don't mind turning some wrenches themselves. And that's where the crate engine comes in. Now, you can get these from custom builders like K-Tech, or you can go right to the OEMs and get them. But either way you go, they always show up in a crate. And opening that crate is like Christmas for car guys.
Ho, ho, ho.
Now, what you're looking at here is the GM Performance LS 427 570 horsepower crate engine that takes the legendary LS7 and makes it better. Starting with a cast aluminum block, they stuffed it with a forged steel crank and titanium rods and hypereutectic pistons. They also added a higher lift roller cam and LS7 aluminum heads and fuel injection and a unique wet sump oiling system. This gives you an 11-to-1 compression engine that runs on pump gas and gives you 570 horsepower and 540 foot-pounds.